How to use Seedance 2.5 long video mode in Dreamina. Today, I'll show you how to work with Seedance 2.5's extended video option inside Dreamina and generate AI footage that can reach a total duration of 3 minutes. Let's get straight into the setup. Begin by launching Dreamina and navigating to its AI video creation feature. This is the area where you'll configure the options needed for producing your extended AI footage. After entering the video generation workspace, choose Seedance 2.5 from the available models. Selecting this specific model is essential because the extended duration function is designed to work with it. Next, switch on the long video mode option. Activating this feature removes the standard short video restriction and lets you produce sequences lasting as long as 180 seconds, which equals 3 complete minutes. This can be useful for cinematic storytelling, narrated content, longer scenes, or visual sequences containing several connected moments. Now bring in your reference materials. Dreamina lets you add items such as character designs, visual examples, style references, and audio resources with support for up to 50 uploaded assets. Using references can be especially helpful when generating longer content because they give the model additional guidance for maintaining a consistent character appearance, artistic direction, and atmosphere throughout the video. Once your references are ready, move to the prompt field and enter the @ to attach specific uploaded assets to your instructions. This tells Dreamina which reference materials should guide the generation and can improve consistency in areas such as character appearance and visual styling. After that, create your prompt. You can provide detailed instructions, but remember that the prompt supports up to 5,000 characters. For longer generations, well-organized instructions are important. If you're describing several scenes, transitions, or changes, keep the directions structured and easy for the model to interpret. Then select the aspect ratio that matches your project. If you're creating a cinematic widescreen video, 16:9 is a common choice. With everything configured, press Generate and allow Dreamina to create the video. Keep in mind that extended generations can consume a significant number of credits, so check your available balance beforehand. Longer AI sequences can also occasionally contain pacing differences, minor cuts, or changes in visual quality as the model